Ashley Hinkle. I am a patient at Dr. Agarwal's of Dr. Agarwal's, Raleigh Dental Arts, and I had implantation done a couple years ago. What's so phenomenal about this practice is I called, I can't remember her name, but I called up here. Pretty much I had a pimple is what I described it as. I had a pimple on my gum and it popped up overnight, and she was like, no, that's serious. You need to come in like right here, right now. And it was like I had no clue, no pain, no anything of that nature. So as soon as I came in, it was like within 2 hours I was seen, which is pretty phenomenal when you think about how bad it could have actually been. So I had an abscess, and so he did a root canal, and then he did a medicated root canal, then he did another root canal, and it just wasn't working. And I was getting married, and so I ended up fracturing the tooth, which led to the implant and extraction and the whole works. So for them acting so quickly and me never having really any type of pain was pretty phenomenal when it comes down to pretty much 2.5 root canals and an implant. I saw Dr. Hendrick for my implant. Going from one dentist to another without really knowing the transition, she was flawless. She made me feel extremely at ease. Dr. A and I have a very comical relationship back and forth. We joke around a lot, and that's kind of like my anxiety comfort. And she didn't need that at all. She was just like, we're gonna take care of you. What do you need? Very comforting. And so it was really simple and easy, and there wasn't any type of hesitation at all. I didn't have the pain prior to. I didn't have the excruciating, I can't eat, can't breathe, like none of that. I think it's because we caught it at such a moment. A work colleague sent me over here, and that was it. I mean, I ended up knowing like half the people, so then it's more like just kind of a welcoming home every 6 months. CareCredit worked great. It was the 0% interest, in the 6 months, and so just kind of took care of itself. So the financial options was definitely something that I could do at the time. Giving A through C, I chose the CareCredit option, so it made it available. I was really impressed with the way that they refilled my crown. I mean, it was literally come in here, you don't have to wait very long. They used some sort of like light tool, and that was great. Yeah. Like, I mean, within 5 minutes it was done. Not like come back in and you have to do another 5-minute or 30-minute appointment. It was just, it's taken care of. Coming to Raleigh Dental Arts is definitely very comforting. It is something that is welcomed. I know that I'm going to be taken care of no matter what.